Welcome to Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Theo from Concept. So to start creating our WordPress website, we will obviously need to download WordPress. So no thank you. I'll open up my browser right here, and in Google I'll just search for download WordPress. It doesn't really matter which browser you're using, so I'm just using Chrome, by the way. So I want to go to the original site because of the updates. They might have updated it and it will not be the same on another website. So just go to wordpress.org/download. So I'll click on that link, and this is the WordPress website. So as at now is 4.9.7. That's the latest version. So I just click on it and it will start downloading. It is a zip file I'm downloading, but I can go ahead and download the other versions as well. Okay, so let's quickly download this app and start setting it up for our website. Okay, so now that we are done downloading WordPress, we have to copy it into our folder where we have the XAMPP. So I'll open up my file explorer here, and I'll go to the folder where I downloaded XAMPP. So I have it on my drive C. So I'll go to XAMPP, and in XAMPP you are going to search for htdocs, that is right here. Now all you have to do is extract this WordPress file here. I'm using WinRAR, by the way, so I will extract here. Now another thing I like doing most often is that because I create several websites every single day, I'll just copy this entire zip file here, then I'll extract it anytime I need to have a website created. So let's just wait for this to finish up. Okay, so it's done. What we do is we open this particular folder here for the configuration. Then we are going to search for a file called wp-config-sample. That's the configuration, and we are going to make some edits to it. So I'll just open this up with Notepad. You can use Dreamweaver or any other application. We can open it up, but I highly recommend Notepad rather than Word documents or something of that sort. So I'll open it up in Notepad, and we can see that, or you don't have to confuse yourself with the programming here. So for the DB name, which is a database name, we are going to change it to something we can remember. So I will change this to tutorial. Then the username, we are going to leave it at root. So that's ROOT, sorry. And the password, we are going to leave it as blank. Now you are going to have to memorize this because this is what you are going to be using for your entire website. So the database name is tutorial. Let me go ahead and copy that. The username is set to root and the password is set to blank. Now you leave everything else just as the way it is. So I'll go ahead and close it, and it's going to ask me to save it. So I'll save it up here. Now once we've done that, we have to go back. Then we make sure we change the folder name to the database name, so that anytime we access it, it will just pick that particular folder. So currently it's set to WordPress. I'll just rename it and change it to the database name, which is tutorial. So let's get to the next video.